Hey, hope everybody's doing okay. I was inspired to post something today. I've had a couple of students ask me a question about whether or not they could get bonus points, and typically I don't like just do bonus point assignments. For those of you that are looking for more points, there's all those enrichment assignments that you can complete and get participation points, and they're easy to complete, and I'm just grading them on completion. It's not quite bonus. But what I'm going to do is during the course of this week, every day since we've been out of school, I have been holding sort of like online virtual office hours through Google Meet. I post a URL every day, usually spend bare minimum an hour. Some days I've spent 4 or 5 hours in Google Meet. And I just sort of answer questions, help students out, uh, deal with various issues for students online. And what I've wanted was honestly more students to check in, even if it's just a matter of checking in to see how their grades are. Um, and I realized some of you want something from me, and I want something from some of you. So, what I'm going to do during the course of this week, I am going to offer uh, 10 bonus points every day to a student that to any student that checks in during one of these office hours. Like you have to actually check in, talk with me. It doesn't have to be for long. I might even just say, "Hey, how you doing? Your grades are good. See you later." Um, you can check in and ask like a real question about a problem you're having. I figure what that'll do is those of you who want bonus points, you can earn some bonus points doing that. And then I'm happy because I'm actually having some of you guys check in and talking with me and give me an opportunity that I can um, talk grades with some of you. So um, that is just an opportunity this week. It'll start Monday. It'll go all through Friday. I'm not going to change anything about the way I'm doing my office hours. Um, Pretty typically all week long, or every day, I've been holding office hours. What's worked well for me is usually 1 hour in the afternoon. I usually hold it for like 1 to 2. Sometimes I've gone 12 to 2. Um, Depending on what I have going on in the morning, the teachers have been doing a lot of teleconferences with one another. So I can't always do mornings, but I've been trying to do some in the morning at like 10 o'clock in the morning to 11. But if you check in on any of those office hours during the week, you can get 10 bonus points a day. Even if you do it all 5 days, you can rack up the bonus points right there. So just throwing that out there. That'll make those of you who want bonus points, give you an easy opportunity to get some like serious bonus pointage, and it'll make me happy trying to get a hold of more of you and talk with more of you. I know most of you have been doing your work online, but I haven't had a whole lot of interaction short of just seeing you've been completing assignments. So have yourselves a good rest of the weekend, and hopefully we'll talk to some of you guys this week.